Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is Startup Success Rate Prediction. We have created this model and the web application using Streamlit to predict the success rate of any startup. So there are some parameters which is used to take the input from the user and is used to predict the success rate. So we will predict one success rate for any company, for example �GEO. So we will enter the state code. For instance, I will enter Maharashtra state code MH and the name of the company �GEO. Now you can enter two values in the labels, 0 or 1. So we will enter 1 in this. Now we will enter the date. So for example, I will enter 26 January 2020. And the �GEO company is not closed yet, so we will keep this column empty. Now we will enter the category code. We will enter mobile in this. Then is mobile startup, so we will click yes. And is video game startup, we will click no. Now we will click on predict success rate button, and this shows the startup will not close. Now you can see the source files from this files button, and you can see app.py and startup success rate pickle file which is used to make this model. You can also access the source code by clicking on app.py file, and you can see all the source code which is used to create the UI of this application. So who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you, so we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.